Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create a Mailchimp account. Come here on Google and search up Mailchimp. Open up the first link that says mailchimp.com. Now here, what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on a sign up right here. And they'll actually try to get you to use one of these plans. So we have standard, they have premium, and if you want free guys, it's very easy. You can just come here, click on a free. Okay. And then choose here, sign up under free. Okay, this is $0 a month completely for a free. So you just go ahead and click on this one right here. And then you will have to enter your business email, username, and password. So let me go ahead and do that just right now. All right, so we have put in our business email, username, and password. And if you do not want any marketing emails, do not toggle this one on, okay? Just click on sign up, and by clicking on sign up, you do agree to their terms and conditions by default. Okay, now you just have to wait for a few seconds while this initializes. There we go. They have sent an email to our email address. Okay, so we go ahead and click on that link to activate our account and just confirm that it is us. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. I have clicked on that link for my email address. And here we go. So it's currently loading up a Mailchimp for us. And we just need to put in our website URL if we have one. And what they'll do, they'll automatically import the business information from you, your logos, your images, colors, fonts, everything. And if you want, you can go ahead and, click on this to build a website with Wix. What we're going to just do for now is go ahead and skip this. Now we have to enter in some information about us. Our first name, last name, and if you want, you can put in your phone number as well. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, now come here and click on next. And now we can go ahead and add our business details. Okay, things like your business name, your address, city, postal code, country, state. Okay, so let me go ahead and fill this in. All right, so I filled in the business name and address. We are in Pennsylvania Avenue. And then we'll go ahead and click on continue. So we can go ahead and click X right here. And now we will go ahead and describe our organization. What we basically do. So in our case, we're mostly related with media content or software. So I'll come and click on this. Of course, you can skip this if you like. I'll go ahead and pick this one right here. And now we have the most important features for our business. You can go ahead and select what applies and they'll guide you accordingly in their platform. Okay. For now, I'll just go ahead and pick these. You can pick whatever you want, of course. If you want, you can skip them as well. Okay. For example, you just toggle them off. Just come here and skip. You can always get to this later. And here we go to this section where they ask how many email contacts do you have. So you can select a range. So for the free version, I suggest you pick 0 to 500. Then click on next right here. Okay. And here, guys, they try to get you to get this plan. Since in the start, we picked the free version. Okay. We didn't go for the standard plan. So this is a neat trick I'm showing you guys. Don't go and pay half right there. You can come here and try for free for 14 days if you want. Okay, you can come here and just click on a start free trial. They'll ask you for your payment method. So you just have to enter in your details. So if you want to pay by card, you can come enter your card details. Don't worry guys, they will not bill you until the time arrives for your plan. Okay. When you're done inputting all the details of your card, come and click on a start free trial. So let me go ahead and put my security code in and click on that. All right, here we go. We have started our trial. As you can see, for the $20 a month plan, are we getting it for completely free for 14 days? So that is a neat little trick that I am showing you guys. Okay. Now, since this is included in your plan, you can go ahead and invite teammates to start collaborating as well. Or just click on I'll do this later. Okay. Now, if you want, they can show you around, or you can go ahead and skip all of that and they'll prepare your account for you. Okay. Based on the options you have chosen, they'll optimize your experience and personalize it for you. All right. Now you're done and you are here on the dashboard. And it's really that easy and simple.